Figurement is the easiest and most accessible product visualization platform out there. You can create beautiful and correct photorealistic visualization of your product, including the extra information needed to communicate your choices. It's accessible to everybody in the organization, all of your collaborators, because it's simply a web application. So you can access all of your stuff from anywhere. You can easily share with your colleagues by simply writing their email, or even external collaborators where you can just give them view access. Let me show you how you can build up something like this that describes two variants of a product. So usually you start with a CAD model of your product, and then maybe somebody shared a material library with you where you can just begin dragging and dropping. Or of course you can set up and create these materials by yourself. So in this particular case, I created a couple of classes I'm pretty happy about. Now I want a new view, and I can simply create a new view of my classes. And you'll notice that whatever I do is kept in sync between both of these. Now we could take these two views and we could render them in an even higher quality, either locally in the web browser, or you can access our cloud rendering infrastructure to render out in as high as quality as you need. Or you can keep working on this because maybe you want to build a document that describes some of the choices around this particular product. So maybe you want to describe the entire bill of material. Maybe you want to call out particular materials. And by default, our call out will show you all of the extra information that you can attach to materials and every other thing in Figurement. So in this particular case, in our material library, I created some extra metadata information, finish, light transmission, and filter category, which immediately shows when you drag and drop something into the scene itself, it's updated. So all of the extra information you need to describe and show your collaborators, or all of the choices around what you've done, are immediately updated. Then you can group these images with the bill of material, and you can easily create a new variant. The moment I create a new variant, I can just go and update this variant, which shows me this new configuration of material, colors, and finish, and I still have access to all the other ones at the same time. The other thing you can do in Figurement is you can keep on working on the renderings themselves. So a key thing that's often difficult to do is to manipulate and edit this image further. So maybe I wanted a wooden floor beneath it, and I would have to go find a texture, or I can actually just ask our AI to generate it. So put the sunglasses on a wooden floor. You can use AI techniques like this to edit the image, to create new materials, to help you set up your canvas, or just create a new background, like in this example. Now if I then move my image a bit because I want a new angle, you can just click rerun, and we'll re-execute the same prompt, and you'll get these glasses on wooden floor. All of this, of course, can be shared with everybody in the organization and can be accessed from anywhere. With that, I hope you'll give Figurement a try.